What's inside King of the Liver, and how does each ingredient support your liver specifically? Let's go through it. Your liver does over 500 things every day. It filters your blood, processes nutrients, metabolizes medication, produces bile, regulates blood sugar. Every toxin you breathe, eat, drink, or absorb passes through your liver first. When the liver is overwhelmed, everything suffers. King of the Liver was formulated to give it the support it deserves. Let's start with the most important ingredient: milk thistle seed, the world's most studied liver herb. Milk thistle contains silymarin, a group of flavonoids that directly protect liver cells from damage. Silymarin works by blocking toxins from entering liver cells and accelerating the regeneration of damaged liver tissue. It reduces liver inflammation, improves bile flow, and supports the liver's ability to detoxify your blood. If you've been under metabolic stress, alcohol, medication, processed food, environmental toxins, milk thistle is your liver's first line of defense. Dandelion root, a traditional liver and kidney tonic. Dandelion stimulates bile production and flow from the liver and gallbladder. Bile is how your liver gets rid of waste. It carries metabolic byproducts into the digestive tract for elimination. More bile flow means more efficient liver detox. Dandelion also has diuretic properties that support kidney filtration, helping your body flush out water-soluble toxins that the liver has processed. Rich in antioxidants, beta-carotene, polyphenols, dandelion reduces oxidative damage to liver cells. Burdock root, a powerful hepatic cleanser. Burdock supports liver function by stimulating the lymphatic system to drain waste away from tissues. It contains inulin, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria and reduces the burden of toxic byproducts that the liver would otherwise have to process. Burdock has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect liver cells from ongoing damage. Yellow dock root specifically targets bile production. Yellow dock is a cholagogue, a substance that promotes bile secretion from the gallbladder. This is critical because bile not only aids in fat digestion, but also carries waste products from the liver into the colon for excretion. Yellow dock also supports iron absorption and has gentle laxative effects that keep the elimination pathway clear. Artichoke leaf, a clinically studied hepatoprotective herb. Artichoke contains cynarin and luteolin, compounds that increase bile secretion and support liver regeneration. Studies show artichoke extract reduces liver enzyme levels in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It also reduces total cholesterol and LDL levels by improving the liver's ability to process fat. Turmeric root, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, directly reduces liver inflammation and prevents lipid peroxidation, the oxidative damage that accelerates fatty liver. Turmeric supports the liver's phase 2 detoxification pathways, the process by which the liver converts fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble compounds that can be excreted. It also reduces fibrosis, the scarring that occurs when liver cells are repeatedly damaged. Schisandra berry, an adaptogenic berry from traditional Chinese medicine. Schisandra is one of the few herbs clinically shown to increase the liver's production of glutathione, the master antioxidant. It supports all 5 phases of liver detoxification and has been used in clinical settings to reduce elevated liver enzymes. Schisandra also has adaptogenic properties, helping the body manage the physical stress of detoxification.
Every ingredient in King of the Liver has a specific function. Milk thistle protects and regenerates. Dandelion and yellow dock drive bile flow and elimination. Burdock cleanses the lymphatic system. Artichoke supports fat metabolism and regeneration. Turmeric reduces inflammation and oxidative damage. Schisandra produces glutathione and completes detoxification. This is precision liver support, not a general supplement, built for the most important organ you've been neglecting. King of the Liver, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.